Need to cancel an order while maintaining professionalism and minimizing impact on your seller profile? In this video, I'll show you the proper way to cancel Fiverr orders while protecting your reputation and preserving client relationships. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Order cancellations are sometimes necessary, but how you handle them can make all the difference in maintaining your seller standing and future business opportunities. Let me guide you through the professional cancellation process. First, always communicate with the buyer before initiating any cancellation. Explain the situation clearly and see if there's an alternative solution. Many issues can be resolved through communication without needing cancellation. Use the Resolution Center for the formal cancellation process. Go to your order page, click Resolution Center, and select the appropriate cancellation reason. Be honest but professional in your explanation. If both parties agree to cancel, select the mutual cancellation option. This has the least impact on your seller statistics and shows Fiverr that the cancellation was amicable and agreed upon by both sides. Offer alternatives when possible before canceling. Could you deliver partial work, extend the deadline, or modify the order scope? Exploring options shows your commitment to finding solutions. A crucial pro tip: keep your cancellation rate below 1% to maintain your seller level status. If you must cancel, do it as early as possible in the order process. Also, consider completing small orders rather than canceling them. The positive review you'll receive may be more valuable than the time spent on the work. And that completes our Fiverr Mastery series. While cancellations should be rare, knowing how to handle them professionally protects your business and maintains your reputation. If this guide helps you navigate order cancellations effectively, please give it a like. What's your approach to preventing unnecessary order cancellations? Share your best practices in the comments below. For more e-commerce tips and freelance guidance, make sure you're subscribed to Guide with Samuel. Thanks for watching.